Hello, in today's video, we're going to do the unboxing of the filters for your OSMO Pocket. This is a Cinema Series limited collection made by the Polarpro, one who made filters for your drone and OSMO Pocket. If you are still new to my channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be updated with my upcoming videos. Come and join me as we do the unboxing of these filters. Okay, so this is the Cinema Series limited collection filters for your OSMO Pocket. So this is made by Polarpro. So I purchased these filters for my OSMO Pocket for different kinds of reasons, like if you're going outside and there is a very bright sun or extreme sun, so it would eliminate the overexpose of your video. So this is a good filters for your OSMO Pocket. So in this box you will get ND32, ND64, ND32PL and ND64PL. So as you can see in the box, there are some conditions wherein when you are going to use the ND32 and the ND64. So it says there that if it is a very bright sun, you need to do you need to use the ND32 filter, but if it is extreme sun, then you're going to use the ND64 or ND64PL or the polarizing filter. Okay, so what's inside the box is four kinds of filters. So one is the two filters of ND32 and ND64, the neutral density filter, and the other one is ND32PL and ND64PL or the polarizer filter. So the box is made of a magnet with a hard box. So it's a good collection that you can preserve or you can keep, because this is a limited collection. Okay, so you can hear the click of the magnet once you open the box. So if you want also to take up there is a case from the filter, so just take out the case, and then it's a plastic, it's a hard plastic, and then you can feel the rubberize at the bottom of the case. So it's a filter with a good case. So this is a good case. It's a slim case that you can just put in your camera bag or in your OSMO Pocket bag. So it's made of hard plastic with rubberize. And I presume that there is also a magnet once you open this case. Okay, so the circle one are the polarizer filter, and then the square are the ND filter. So it's made of like a gold. So as you can see, the filter is the edge of the filter is made of I'm not sure if it is gold plated, that you can usually distinguish once you put it in your OSMO Pocket. So once you take out the filter, there is a magnet, so it would be easy for you to like put the filter in the case. There is a magnet in the case. So as you can see, this is PL filters, so you can just twist the filters as per the situations of the if you're going to take the video. So this is I think this is a 32 or 64 PL case, and then the other one, this is the neutral density filter. So you can easily distinguish that the round one is the circle one is PL, and this one is neutral density. So this is ND32. You can use this in very bright sun condition. So as you can see, it's made of grade multi-coated glass. So if you're going to put it back, there is a magnet, so it would be easy to put back to the case. And this is ND32 or 64, I think. So ND64. So this is usually used for if it is extreme sun condition. So usually the ND filter is maintain the color effect of images while controlling the exposure in bright light conditions. So it prevents excess light from reaching the camera sensor, so you can shoot in a wider aperture. So this is in the 64 filter for your OSMO Pocket. And then this one is the ND with the polarizer. So this is ND64PL. So usually filters with a polarizer, they reduce the glare from reflected surfaces. So this is best for nature and landscape photography or videography to reduce reflection and glare from reflective surfaces such as bodies of water, and it gives water surfaces more detail and see-through effects. So that is filters in the 64 with the polarizer filter. So again, this is the case of the Cinema Series filters. That you still have two slot for if you have other kinds of filter like the wide filter that can capture a more wider view of the images that you're going to take. So again, this is the ND Cinema Series Polarpro limited edition filters for your OSMO Pocket. So again, this is made of very nice and very strong case for your OSMO Pocket filters. So it's made with magnetic, so it would be easy for you to put back all the filters, because this is a small filter, so sometimes there are tendency within it will just fall down and lose the filter. So this is a Cinema Series limited collection in the filters for your OSMO Pocket made by Polarpro. So I will going to show you on how you're going to put this in the filter in your OSMO Pocket. Okay, so this is my OSMO Pocket. So I will take the ND filter in the case. So there is a strong magnet actually, that's why. So how to put this is just put it in the camera of your OSMO Pocket. So there is a magnet, so it will just, you will just hear the click, and it will not there will be no effect on your video once you put this filter, because it was really made for your OSMO Pocket. Again, this is my OSMO Pocket with the filters with ND filter. It's a nice filters for OSMO Pocket actually. So I'm excited to use this outside, and we'll see in a bright sun condition. So it's very easy to put this filter. You don't need the screw, just put it, and then the magnet will again I will get the ND filter with polarizers. Again, you just put it at the top of your OSMO Pocket camera, and then you just hear the click of the magnet. Again, this ends our video on unboxing the filters and how to put these filters in your OSMO Pocket. If you're still new to my channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be updated with my current video. Bye bye!